Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to solve equation by using Cramer's rule, which is very important to 10 students as well as class 12 students of business math. So let's take a start here. First of all, we have to write down coefficient of x, then we have to write here coefficient of y, and we have to write here constant number. So let's write on a constant number here. Coefficient of x, what is here? 2, so we have to write on 2. Coefficient of y, nothing is here, so we have to write 1, but we have to take sign also here, minus, so we have to write here minus. And the constant number is 1, so we have to write here 1. And what is the coefficient of x? In front of x, what is here? 3. Coefficient means number, okay? So 3 we have to write. What is the coefficient of y? Here is nothing, then 1, so we have to write 1. And here constant number is 9, so let's write on 9. After this we have to find out d, d1, d2. D means determinant, so we have to take, to find out d, we have to take coefficient of x, coefficient of y, okay? So let's write down 2, 3, and here minus 1, 1. Now find out the determinant of this. 2 into 1. First we have to multiply the main diagonal. 2 into 1, 2, minus, and we have to multiply the non-diagonal. 3 into minus 1, minus 3, so we have to write here minus 3. So 2 minus minus plus 3 is equal to 5. Similarly, we have to find out d1. To find out d1, we have to take constant number and coefficient of y. So constant number, what is here? 1, 9, so we have to write here 1, 9. And coefficient of y, what is here? Minus 1 and 1. Let's do same. First of all, we have to multiply the main diagonal. 1 into 1, 1, minus from formula, and this 2 we have to multiply. Non-diagonal we have to multiply, and we get minus 9 here. 1 plus 9 minus minus plus, which is equal to 10. Similarly, we have to find out d2. To find out d2, we have to take coefficient of x and last one constant number. Coefficient of x, what is here? 2, 3, so we have to write here 2, 3, and constant number here 1, 9, so write 1, 9. Okay, now main diagonal we have to multiply. 2 into 9, 18, minus 3 into 1, 3, which is equal to 15. Now using Cramer's rule, here we have to write here using Cramer's rule. So x is equal to formula d1 by d. d1 is equal to how much we have? 10. So we can write here 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. Similarly, y is equal to formula d2 by d. d2 we have 15, so we have to write 15, and the value of d is equal to 5, so we have to write 5. When you divide this 2, we get 3. So value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3 is the answer. Hope you understand this video. If you understand, please hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button to get notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching till last. Keep supporting and keep sharing with your friends.